Hi, this is me, Sukrit. I'm going to talk about how to use subliminals for reversing hair loss and regrowing hairs. In May 2018, after coming back from Chicago, I realized that I have hit a rough spot when it comes to regrowing my hairs. I had hit a plateau and I wasn't seeing any or much results with more of the diet changes that I was suggesting to others. But I somehow was hopeful and continued it for the next few months with very minute changes in my hair. However, I used to get this question quite often. If you stop your diet, would you lose your hairs? Do I have to do it for a lifetime? How long do I have to maintain this? Frankly, as much as I wanted to answer these questions, I did not have good answers to all these questions. And these questions were haunting me, and a lot of people would come up to me to ask these questions. And I was oblivious to the answers, so I thought, let's chuck it with this diet and supplement thing, and let's try something totally new. But there was one problem. The problem was, if I start losing progress again, what would I do? What would I tell others? Can I again get it back? How long it will take to get it back? Will I ever get it back? And what if I don't ever get it back? Frankly, I never had answers to these questions as well, but I knew one thing for sure. If I don't try new things, probably I am going to remain at the same place I am right now. And it's not a good place to be in the same or no progress for long periods of time. I had my periods of very rapid changes followed by periods of slow changes with periods of absolutely no changes. I knew if I had gained hairs back then, I can definitely figure out how to get it back again in case if I lose it again. So I took the calculated risk and decided to embark upon the new journey. There was one problem though. I did not know what to do if I stop everything, because I did not want to use topicals or oils or minoxidil or finasteride or laser helmet or PRP or any similar therapy. There was a big question to what I'm going to start. However, I got answer to it very quickly. I had heard of and used subliminals back in 2016 with not much belief and not much consistency, although I had seen a lot of positive feedback in the comment section. I often wondered if those comments were fake and the channel owner hired someone to do the same thing with very few negative comments to make it look genuine. My logical mind always thought that this is impossible. How come this subliminals or mind affirmation can regrow hair or stop hair loss? I mean, I can understand if someone uses it for reprogramming their mind, change their behavior, but using subliminals for hair regrowth? No way it was possible according to me. But because I was open-minded back then and I still am open-minded, I decided to try it. I started with a channel called Mind Power, which does not exist now. There has been a lot of discussion on their subliminals having negative or satanic affirmations. There's a lot of debate and petitions over the internet. I'm not going to discuss it here. Frankly, I never experienced anything satanic or negative, except on very few days I felt a little bit depressed or down. But I felt similar way even without subliminals, so I don't think it has anything to do with the subliminals from that particular channel. So I started using Mind Power videos for receding hairline and thicker hairs because that channel had the highest number of positive feedback in the comment section. I was skeptical at first, but I thought if this works out, great. If it doesn't, I can definitely figure out something else because I have figured out many things along the way. I started with listening to their videos for hairs, and the next day after a towel massage, my hair loss, which ranged anywhere from 100 to 200 for almost 2 years, despite all the diet changes, suddenly came down to less than 40-50. I was frankly amazed because I had not seen something like this before. But I thought maybe it is just my mind thinking, it may not sustain for long. So I continued to listen to subliminals for the next day, and again it was less than 40 or 50. I thought of testing this one more time, let's use it for a week and then come to the conclusion. Even after a week, I saw my hair loss was brought down to 40-50, which was amazing. However, I noticed something special. I could see my hairline hairs, which were not growing earlier beyond certain length or grew only 2 to 3 mm, started growing longer and thicker. I did not know what to expect, so I started observing both my hairline hairs and overall hair loss for the next few weeks while I continued to listen to subliminals. After 3 weeks, I saw my hairline hairs, almost all of them had become longer and thicker, and my hair loss was still less than 40-50. I had regrown close to 100 hairs total on both sides of my hairline to maximum length. After all, this so-called placebo stuff or so-called mind stuff was working for me. So the comments were real. I was seeing the real changes, and I also saw my crown hair loss diameter had reduced by few millimeter in matter of few weeks. Take a look at my photo. You can see those tiny hairs growing longer along my hairlines, which were not growing at all earlier or stagnant for more than 2 years, suddenly started growing after using subliminals. Now I don't have any before and after pic. I just have the after pic, as I did not know if the subliminals will ever work, and I did not bother to take good photos to track it, because a lot of people who approach me are keen to see the results other people are getting and not necessarily my own results. However, after 3 weeks, my hairline hairs did not show much improvement further, but my crown continued to show some improvement, but it slowed down after a month. But I still continued to use subliminals for the next month also. However, I could see my hair loss lowered down from 100, 200 to 40, 50, which was a huge change in itself, and I did not see it even after spending so much of money on supplements, foods and herbs. And even after not using subliminals very often or using it very occasionally, my hair loss was still less than 40 or 50, and it is still less than 40 and 50 even after 2.5 years. So definitely it wasn't a fluke. Then I again started using subliminals in early 2021 for reshaping facial bone structure, forehead size. After using it for a few days, I could see definitive changes in my face shape and forehead size. Check my photo here. When I started seeing results with subliminals for the first time in 2018, I also started suggesting it to others, and some people use only subliminals to see the changes, and some use it along with the diet and supplements to see the changes. Here are the photos of some of them. Here is a video of a woman who regrew her hairline with just subliminals. Her channel name is Megan X Rose. You can check that video on YouTube. When I started seeing results with subliminals, and when I started suggesting it to a lot of other people, and they also started sharing their results with me, the one thing which many of them found very common is reduction in hair loss. And few people also saw thickening and regrowth. This person used just subliminals and saw results in a couple of weeks and sent me his photos. He said he was using DHT blockers earlier with almost no results, but when he introduced subliminals, he started seeing the changes in his hairs. However, subliminals did not work for everyone. There were still people who did not see the results or could not see the result despite using them for long periods of time. For many, it showed results for few weeks or months, and then it stopped showing the results, which is quite common even with many DHT blockers, supplements, therapies, or even minoxidil. So Mind Power is currently not available. However, there are other channels like HypnoDaddy, Akuo, Luminal Play, which you can use and I have used them personally and they are very trustworthy. Now there could be other channels which are trustworthy, but because I have not used them much, I cannot vouch for them. Here are some rules to follow when using Subliminals channel and how to use it correctly for maximum benefits. First is channel selection. Second is how and when to use them. Third is precautions, and fourth is limitations. Now don't use any channel that you find on Subliminal. Some channels have developed good reputation over the time. I know few of them, including HypnoDaddy, Akuo, Luminal Play. They share their affirmations freely. They don't add any evil affirmations to manipulate you. The best way to overcome this barrier that other people are reprogramming you with bad intentions or bad affirmations is to create your own affirmations in your own voice or automated voice and play it at a speed which is incomprehensible to your conscious mind. Read channel rules. Some Subliminals need headphones, some may not need headphones or earphones. Some Subliminals need to be played at certain volume. For remaining, there is no restriction on volume as long as it is audible. Drinking sufficient water before listening to Subliminals is must in all the cases. Otherwise, it can cause dehydration, headache and fatigue. Some Subliminals do not work when downloaded, or their efficacy reduces when you listen to them at lower resolution. In that case, it is better to listen to them at higher or highest resolution or buy the original one from the creator. Some Subliminals that work for the people may not work for you at all. Subliminal effects may diminish over time, but if you are seeing smaller improvements, then continue with them. If you listen to some Subliminals more than certain amount of times than recommended or overdo it, there is possible that you may not get incremental results. So always listen to your body, read channel rules, and listen to it till the time results stop showing completely. And take a break of 2 to 4 weeks and then again resume it to see if it is still working for you. Some Subliminals show results within a couple of days. Some show after a week. Some show results after a month. Be patient. Give at least a month to one Subliminal or channel without giving up. Just listening to hair loss Subliminals or regrowth Subliminals won't regrow hairs. I have seen improvement with all types of Subliminals, including for immune system, digestive system, scar healing, liver, kidney, pancreas, hormones, teeth, to see the changes in hair loss and have regrown hairs. You can listen to the Subliminals at any time, day or night, unless otherwise specified. Some of them might cause drowsiness or fatigue, so I prefer to listen to them at night. You can also experiment with them and play it at different times. And those which cause fatigue, drowsiness, listen to them at night. Create a YouTube playlist on your phone. I use YouTube Premium so I can do other activities in the background while playing the Subliminals, and it also saves a lot of my battery. You can do other work or study as long as it doesn't affect your activity negatively. You can even sleep while listening to Subliminals. I usually don't prefer to listen to Subliminals overnight, and I do prefer to listen to certain Subliminals while working or studying. You don't need to consciously focus on the Subliminals. They will work in the background without your conscious attention. If you listen to them at one stretch, there is more likelihood that you will see better results than if you spread it throughout the day. You can use a loudspeaker which has stereo capability if you want to improve the effectiveness of some Subliminals. If you are interrupted, then you don't need to start it from the beginning, but don't let others disturb you while you are listening to Subliminals. You can listen to Subliminals literally at any time, actually, but don't indulge yourself into any activity which requires conscious attention of your brain. which means driving a vehicle, walking or crossing the road, or operating machinery. Now you have understood how you can use subliminals for mind programming to reduce hair loss and regrow hairs. Check out Hair Regrowth Blueprint, which is a personalized program to help you analyze your blood work, identify psychological, environmental, dietary triggers which are causing hair loss, and use corrective measure to stop hair loss and regrow hairs naturally. More details here.